Hello to everyone and welcome to my channel. This is my first video that I'm going to introduce myself, and then I will talk about my current project that I'm working on it, and I will talk about my hobbies. My name is Matija and I'm living in the northwest Croatia near small town Varaždin, and I'm 35 years old and I'm working in the economy high school. I'm teaching kids IT and computers. I have a master's degree from the information technology. I like technology and I'm flying the electric planes on the remote control, and I'm also flying the paraglider, the real one. In this channel I will especially talk about the electric conversion cars. This is my second hobby. I have one big project that I'm working on. It is about the BMW e39 520. So this is the 5 Series BMW that I bought 3 years ago, and then I bought the Tesla batteries, and I bought the electric motor and the controller. These are the main parts that you need to have for the electric conversion, and these are also the most expensive parts. So I will speak about, does it worth to make a conversion now in these days when the cars are cheaper than they were 3 or 4 years ago? And my answer is yes. Yes, it is. During this conversion you learn a lot of things. You learn a lot of different branches of technology. You learn about electricity, electronics, programming. Yes, the Arduino is your best friend. You learn about machine. You learn about all the stuff, the technology, what is in the car, and how this all works together. On this channel I want to promote the electric car conversions, and I also want to create some educational content. Maybe you can use some techniques and skills for something else. You don't need to build an electric car. So I will use a lot of techniques and skills that I know. Maybe you'll find something useful. And a lot of people ask me, does it really work? You can go on the vacation in the long distances, about 300-400 kilometers. The most of the time that you're driving from home to your job, you don't have to reach such a big distances. So 99% of the time the people are using car in the short distances. And when you see the cost of the project, does it worth about? Do you even save some money compared to the combustion engine? And I said yes. You can save 1/5 of average Croatian monthly income. So I think this is really worth. I have a lot of tools. I love tools, so I buy it every time I see something interesting, because they are helping you to shape some things, to build something, and they can, if you have more tools, the less time you need for building some things and to realize some stuff, something like this. This is what I'm going to show you now. So here behind me I have a 3D printer. It is a huge one. It is in closed case because I'm printing the ABS. ABS is really difficult to print, so this place needs to be close, and the area that I'm printing is pretty big. It is 400 to 400 millimeter. This is the filament ABS, and these are 4 surfaces that needs to be warm until 110 Celsius degrees for the ABS. So this is my lab in the basement that I renovated. So in the second room I have some tools. I have here I have the CNC milling machine. This is all made by myself about 6 years ago. I used to cut the drone frames from this material. I have this for memory, this one here, and this one. This is also aluminum plates that I cut. This plate comes between motor and the gearbox, and this is also the carbon fiber plate. This is the gimbal that I drew and also that I cut with. I was showing you now my second workshop. This is my second lab. So this is my current electric vehicle that I'm using for the last 4 years, and it is very reliable, and it has whole package of E3 of the E3 BMW, so it has 22 kilowatt hour. So the whole car is painted. I couldn't find the painter for 1 year. So the whole car is protected and every little detail is painted. Here this all in black is also painted. The mirrors, this, so everything. The car is like new now, and this is what I put. I put the lip, and I also have the fenders. And the fenders are there on the table. So this is the motor. I made a box for the batteries and the junction box, but they are on the plastification, and I also made a carrier, the front motor carrier, and he's also on the zincation. This is what I'm going to show you in the next video. This is the electric power steering pump, and this is the electric vacuum pump for the brakes. So now I will showing you inside the car what I replaced. So the interior was all interior was gray. The seats were with leather gray, so I replaced it with the carpet. And I also make this display for BMS control, so I will have information about the batteries and the state of charge of. On the downside is protected by underbody kit. There is the 9 models of Tesla Model S 85. So the total capacity of these batteries are 47 kilowatt hours. So if you like this content and if you find it useful, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. See you in the next update.